One of the places that can be visited for a vacation is Bali. The island, which is known for its beautiful nature and culture, is also known as the Island of 1,000 Temples. Bali is a province in Indonesia whose capital city is Denpasar. Many tourist destinations are provided, from the beauty of its beaches, its natural charm that is still natural, as well as its cultural arts that make these eyes feel at home to look at it. Approaching the first month of March in 2022, Bali will celebrate its big holiday Nyepi Day. Nyepi is a Hindu holy day which is celebrated every Saka New Year. Today falls on the count of Tilem Kesanga, or the dead moon, which is believed to be the day of purification of the gods who are in the center of the ocean, who carry the essence of the amerta of living water. For this reason, Hindus perform sacred worship or sacred rituals to cleanse or neutralize this nature from bad influences. The day before Nyepi is held, there is an activity or ritual called purification. On the night of purification, the Balinese also held an Ogoh-ogoh parade around their place. Ogoh-ogoh is a sculpture in Balinese culture that depicts Buddha Kala's personality or things that are not good or bad. In Hindu Dharma teachings, Buddha Kala represents the immeasurable and undeniable power of the universe and time. In the embodiment of the statue in question, Buddha Kala is depicted as a large and frightening figure, usually in the form of a giant. In addition to the giant form, Ogoh-ogoh is often depicted in the form of creatures that live in nature, inhabitants of heaven and hell, such as nymphs, asuras, and animals. After the dredging day, the Balinese then carry out the Nyepi Day. For Hindus, the Saka New Year, or the Holy Day of Silence, has a very deep meaning, namely as a day of resurrection, a day of renewal, a day of tolerance, a day of togetherness, a day of peace, and a day of national harmony. Nyepi comes from the word quiet, meaning silent. Nyepi Day is a Hindu New Year celebration based on the calendar on the Kaka calendar, which began in 78 AD in the Saka calendar calculation. A year has 12 months and the first month is called Kaitramasa. On this day, the atmosphere will feel like a dead city. There is no busy activity in general. On this day, Hindus will carry out the Katur Brata of seclusion. Katur Brata Penyapian includes 3 rules for the Nyepi Day, namely observe Jeni, which means not starting a fire, observe work, which means not working, and observe akshan, which means not to splurge. The main purpose of Nyepi Day is to ask God Almighty to purify Buana Alit, which is the human world, and Buana Agung, which means the universe. There are also many other interesting places on the island of the gods, Bali, which are interesting to visit. Thank you for watching this channel. Don't press the like button and subscribe if you like it.